Your financial well-being or overall financial situation is unique to you. Often we equate how well we're doing financially with how much money we make, our credit score, or overall net worth. In reality, your financial well-being is determined by factors that tell a larger story about your relationship to money. This includes how well you're able to stay on top of your financial obligations, how secure you feel about your financial future, and ultimately, whether you have the freedom to make financial choices that allow you to enjoy your life. The story you tell about your finances doesn't need to be a scary one. It starts with getting a realistic picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. How would you rate your financial well-being? Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Understand where your money goes. The prequel to your financial story begins with a look into your past and current finances. What do you spend money on, and where are you getting your income? By tracking these factors, you can get a better sense of your financial picture today so you can plan for the future. Number 1, learn where your money is coming from. Before you can make any improvements, you need to get an accurate picture of your finances. Start by tracking your sources of income. Number 2, learn where your money is going. To get a handle on your money, you need a system that will allow you to track your daily spending on an ongoing basis. Find and stick to a system that works best for you. Number 3, write your bill due dates on a calendar. If you have trouble making ends meet at the end of the month, the timing of your income and expenses may be off. It's often helpful to see the full picture. Write down the due dates for your bills on a printed calendar that you can look at regularly as you plan for the weeks ahead. Small changes can make a big difference. There are some easy steps you can take to turn the corner on your finances. Once you have an accurate picture of your money, follow these tips to start aligning your expenses to your income. Number 4, create a working budget that matches your cash flow. Your cash flow is the timing of when money comes in and when it goes out. Looking at it on a week-by-week basis, especially if you tend to run short, can help you create a working monthly budget. Number 5, request due dates for your bills that help you stay on track. If there are certain weeks when money is especially tight, you can contact your creditors and utility companies and request new due dates that better align with your income. Number 6, compare your spending month to month. Track your spending closely for several months. By looking at your spending in real time and comparing it to the previous month, you'll start to see places where you can make adjustments and move money into savings. Save for emergencies. Saving money might feel out of reach at times, but consistently putting away even small amounts of money can make a big impact over time. Number 7, give yourself financial security with an emergency savings fund. Start by putting aside what you can afford in order to help cover many common emergencies, such as car repair or medical bills that could otherwise become costly debt. Prioritize a dedicated savings account for these unexpected expenses as one of your top savings goals. And as you get a better handle on your overall financial situation, you may decide to set more aside. Number 8, set rules for your emergency savings, but don't be afraid to use it. Set guidelines for yourself when you can spend down your savings fund and what constitutes an emergency. But if you need it, don't be afraid to use it. That's what it's there for. Just remember to work to rebuild it. Number 9, make saving easy by making it automatic. Whether it's through your bank or employer, there are a number of ways to have money automatically transferred into your savings every week or month. Reoccurring transfers are considered one of the most effective ways to build your savings. Number 10, put extra money into savings at times when you have it. There may be weeks when money is tighter than others. Take the opportunity to put money into savings when you have it. Number 11, use your tax refund to help you reach financial goals. For many Americans, a tax refund can be one of the largest checks they receive all year. Make a plan now to dedicate a portion of that money to saving for some of your larger financial or savings goals. Reduce your debt. Paying down debt can seem scary or tough, but with some proven strategies, you can make it happen, bit by bit. These tips for reducing debt can help you find the right methods to trim your debt into something that feels manageable. Number 12, before making a plan to pay down your debts, know what you owe. Get a sense of the amount of the debt you owe, including interest rate and projected payoff date, and who you owe it to. Number 13, choose a debt reduction strategy that works best for you. There are 2 common strategies to pay down your debt: the debt avalanche method and the snowball method. These strategies will be covered in later videos and will help you pick the one that works best for you. Number 14, learn about federal and private student loans repayment options. Whether you have federal or private student loans, or a mix of the two, start with the loans you're most concerned with and learn how to optimize paying them off. Number 15, in the market for a car, negotiating can save you hundreds or thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Plan ahead and learn what's negotiable. Create better money habits. Improving how you manage your money on a daily basis may take time and dedication, but as you develop better money habits, you'll create a financial story that you're proud of. Number 16, apply only for credit you need. While it's not the only factor, a good credit score is key to your financial well-being. One way to get and keep a good credit score is to apply only for credit you need. Number 17, set an annual reminder to check your credit reports. You're entitled to free credit reports every 12 months, so set up an annual reminder to review them for any errors that might be hurting your credit and should be fixed. Number 18, set up alerts to stay on top of your checking account balance. Through most banks and credit unions, you're able to set up alerts to notify you of your checking account balance at the end of the week, or if your balance gets low. This helps you monitor your accounts and also protects you from incurring additional overdraft fees. Number 19, if you can't make a bill payment, act fast and call your creditors. Missing a bill payment can have several negative financial impacts. If you're experiencing a financial emergency, contact your lenders or creditors before your due date to see what options may be available to you. Number 20, when shopping for a loan, get quotes from at least 3 lenders. One of the best ways to save money on a loan is to shop around and get estimates from several lenders to best compare terms and fees. This is true for home loans as well as other types of loans, including auto loans. Plan for success. Planning ahead is always helpful. And once you get a handle on your current financial picture, set some goals for what comes next. By building a plan, you have a roadmap to help guide you through the rest of your story. Number 21, when planning for the future, set smart financial goals. Break down your financial goals so that they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. While dreams tend to be aspirational and often vague, setting actionable SMART goals can help you reach your dreams. Number 22, set up a 529 savings plan for your children. If you have young children, college may seem far off, but to help reduce their need for student loans, a 529 plan is an investment account where your money can grow tax-free. Number 23, make your savings consistent. Putting even a small amount into savings on a consistent basis is one of the best ways to get your savings to grow so you can meet your goals, small or large. Set your own personal savings rule to live by and make a plan on how to achieve it. Number 24, prepare for life events and large purchases by planning ahead. Once you get a handle on your finances, you can start to map out life events and large purchases so you can begin saving. Improving your financial health and well-being takes time, but the more you know, the more empowered you'll be to make informed decisions that'll improve your financial future. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about the best financial tips to help you become smarter with your money. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.